Hey, welcome to Love, Live, Save. How about those coupons that we got this morning? I was so surprised. We got way more good coupons than I was expecting us to get, honestly, this morning. So many great deals to choose from that we can do throughout the week and on Saturday. It's going to be a great week to coupon. But first, I want to say happy Easter. I hope you guys are all having an amazing morning with your families, and I hope you have a fantastic day. So let's get started and review all of our coupon matchups for the week. First, we got this $2 off Dove Men+Care shampoo coupon. Makes the bottle of the Men+Care shampoo only $3. So that's a really good opportunity. We don't really get good coupons for them very often. If I remember correctly, I think there's also a dollar coupon that will stack, which would make it $2. You guys know that I'm in the process of deep cleaning my house because spring is here and the yucky weather is behind us and I need to refresh my entire house. So I'm always really excited when I see really good cleaning coupons. We got this $2 off Swiffer coupon, makes the Swiffer 180 Dusters 12 count pack only $10. Best part is it is gain scented, so it will work in a gain deal. We also got this $5 off Swiffer coupon that makes the Swiffer Sweeper Dry only $13.50. I don't usually have actual sweepers in my house, but after I've been working on this deal, I'm super excited. I'm definitely thinking about stocking up on it because I have a dog that sheds like no one's business, and I think this will help calm the dog fur dust piles around my house. We also got the Garnier coupons to come back. This one is the $3 off Garnier Whole Blends coupon that makes the 2 bottles. Ooh, I forgot to include both bottles of Garnier Whole Blends. I apologize. So just to correct. Good morning, all. This coupon is for 2 bottles of Garnier Whole Blends, not just one. Makes 2 bottles of Garnier Whole Blends only $5.50. Really great opportunity to lower your out-of-pocket for some other deals. And then we also got the $3 off of 2 regular Garnier coupon that makes 2 bottles of Garnier Shampoo only $4. Moving on to this $3 off direct coupon. If you are expecting a little one or you have an upcoming baby shower, this would be a really good opportunity to score a really great deal for an essential item. So it makes 1 bottle of the Dreft detergent only $7.50. We do not see this coupon very often, so if this is an item that you're interested in, I highly encourage you to take advantage and stock up. We also got this awesome $2 off Dove coupon that makes 1 bottle of the Dove conditioner only $4.50. And then I just remembered that extra $1 off Dove coupon, that's a store coupon that will stack, which will actually make it only $3.50. So make sure you clip both coupons if this is an item that you're interested in. Next up, we got this awesome $2 off Neutrogena coupon that makes a bottle of the Neutrogena Daily Face Wash only $3.15. This is a really good deal to work in as a filler item for other deals. I was super excited to see this $4 off of 2 Gain Fireworks coupon. I don't think I've ever seen this coupon, so this is a really great week to stock up, especially to do some Gain deals. It makes 2 bottles of the medium-size Gain Fireworks only $11. I was also really excited to see this $1 off Resolve coupon. We don't get it very often. It makes 1 bottle of the Resolve carpet cleaner $4.50. You can definitely expect to see this worked into several of my cleaning supply deals this week. Moving on, we got the 2 different Tide coupons. This one is the $3 off Tide coupon that makes one of the big tubs of Tide Pods only $12.95. And then we got the $2 off Tide coupon that also works with Bounce. It makes 1 box of the 240 count Bounce dryer sheets only $7.95. We got a couple of really great paper products couponing deals. We got this $2 off Quilted Northern coupon that makes 1 pack of the Quilted Northern toilet paper only $7.95. And because I'm OCD, I just realized I forgot to include a dollar sign, but you guys know that's what that is. That's $7.95. And while we got several other paper product coupons that I'm not including in this deal video, we got I think the $1 off Cottonelle and the $1 off Scott. I am super excited for this $1 off Viva paper towels. We do not get this coupon very often. This is definitely a stock up opportunity. It makes 1 6 count pack of Viva paper towels only $5.75. So our next coupon comes with a little bit of a story. So my husband is a huge fan of Dawn dish soap. He really wants to get it. It's super expensive, of course. And recently I refilled my bottle of the Dawn Easy Squeeze because I repurpose it, of course, with blue palm olive. And he's like, when did we get Dawn? I'm like, it's not Dawn. So I was super excited to see this coupon. I am definitely going to stock up on some Dawn dish soap for his birthday coming up. It makes one Dawn Easy Squeeze and one of the big bottles of Dawn refill only $8.36. Normally, I'm super excited to see this $4 off Schick Intuition Razor coupon because it usually creates such a great deal. But this morning, I'm a little bitter because I realize that yet again, Dollar General has raised the prices of their items, and these Schick Intuition Razors are now $8.25 a pack when they used to be $7.75. Ugh, Dollar General. But it makes one pack of these Schick Intuition Razors only $4.25 this week. Now, one of the things that I am pretty well known for when I first started Level of Save is not only do I teach people how to coupon, but I specifically specialize in teaching people how to diaper stockpile. And over the last several months, we have not gotten really great diaper coupons, which has made it really difficult to work in some really great diaper deals. But this week, we got this $4 off box of Love's diapers. It makes the box only $13.50. You can definitely expect to see this in one of my diaper deals this week. The next couple of coupons we didn't necessarily get this morning, but we got, I believe, yesterday, the day before, so they're still new coupons. We got this $3 off ThermaCare coupon that makes a pack of the ThermaCare Heatwraps only $3. I am definitely taking advantage of this deal this week because my husband has really bad back, and I always try to stock up on these things when I can get a great deal on them. We also got this $3 off Gain Fireworks coupon that makes the smaller size bottle of Gain Fireworks only $1.50. A great deal. And I've saved my favorite coupon for last. If you're like me and you have kiddos in your house that are suffering from allergies because, you know, 'tis the season, this is a really great time to stock up on Children's Allegra. We got this $4 off coupon this morning that makes a bottle of the Children's Allegra only $6.50, which normally is a great deal in itself. But if you go over to Ibotta, there is also a $4 off Ibotta rebate, which then makes the bottle only $2.50. Now make sure you check your account too, because there's other Allegra coupons. My account had two different $4 off coupons and a $5 coupon, and the Children's Allegra Ibotta rebate has a limit of 5, so you could get a total of $12 back if you had all three coupons. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you're as excited as me to see all these great coupons this week. It's going to create some awesome couponing magic. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, I would love for you to click on that subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well. That way, when I post any of my future couponing deal videos, of which this week I'm going to have a bunch of them, you'll receive a notification and you won't miss out. And I'm going to go write a bunch of couponing deals. This is going to be a busy day for me. I'm super excited. And I will see you in the next video.